Hello. So today I'm going on a trail called Qingshan Trail, which leads to a waterfall called Qingshan Waterfall. And it's a super nice waterfall, and in the background you can already hear the water flowing pretty heavily. The whole trail is actually not too hard. It's fairly flat. Pretty much anyone that enjoys nice chill walks can go through this trail no problem. And hopefully eventually I'll be able to show you guys the fairly cool waterfall. So, talk to you soon. I am so sweaty right now. It's not even hot, but it's just so humid. I want to take the sweater off, but I'm also kind of lazy and don't want to take my backpack off. All that stuff. It's like super slippery, and I'm actually not sure where the trail is. Oh shoot! Oh no, that's the trail. I don't have to cross. Oh, what am I doing? Whoops! Yeah, I don't have to cross. I thought I had to cross that little stream, and I was most likely gonna slip into the water, but thankfully I didn't have to. Ta-da! There's the trail. There's the water that I don't have to cross, but we'll probably come and take photos of this later. I'm gonna head back and probably hit some more spots along the way. My feet are totally soaked. I should have totally stepped in those waters. But I think it's worth it. It was awesome, as you can see. And so yeah, let's start heading back. Oh my god, my feet are so squishy right now.